I couldn't move. I was on the couch all the time. I was a real couch potato. No one really knew I was in that much pain, but I couldn't walk. I couldn't get 2 steps into the garage. It got to a point where I couldn't ignore it anymore. I went to Dr. Gaccione first, and he was fantastic.
Mavely, felt the effects of what most people do, is where their world shrinks. And I always tell them, you know what, you have to treat the patient and not the x-ray. A lot of people have bad-looking x-rays, but they're doing fine, and some have limited arthritis, and they are begging for a joint replacement.
I expected a lot of pain, but I remembered the pain I had prior to the surgery. And I had to keep remembering, yes, this is painful, it's one leg, but even after one leg, I felt like a new person. I had one leg, I had a leg to stand on.
You have a special bond with your joint replacement patients, probably more than any other type of particular patient, and that's mostly because you've gotten to know them over the years. You've walked them through the process of getting ready to have this major operation done and the recovery that goes along with it. So you get to know them and their families much more. Once they have your implant in there, they're a friend and a patient for life.
I feel 10 years younger. I can breathe better. I used to puff going up the stairs. I used to have to, when I wasn't using the cane, I used to take my 2 hands and pull myself on the railing up the stairs. Now I bounce up the stairs.
And Mavely was, a superstar. You said she's moving around quickly, smiling, bouncing. I think she came into this world that way, and all she needed was another set of knees to get her back to that.